The new hybrid 130 powertrains are featured in high-end models, including the new Premier Edition and GR Sport. The range continues to offer the built-in 116 DIN HP/85 kW hybrid system, now known as the Hybrid 115. Toyota's GAB small car platform underpins the agile and satisfying handling of the Yaris Cross. The car's agile, confidence-inspiring performance is further supported by the capability of the GAB platform, which is the basis of the new generation of small Toyota cars. It offers the key benefits of a low center of gravity, with heavier components positioned low and closer to the center of the vehicle, and an extremely rigid body. The result is a composed ride with reduced body roll and precise chassis response faithful to the driver's inputs. Strength is achieved without additional weight, thanks to advanced construction techniques and the use of strong yet lightweight materials in key areas. The new Yaris Cross benefits from a number of additional measures to reduce noise and vibration. Responding to customer feedback, the new Yaris Cross has been benchmarked against its key rivals in managing road, engine and wind noise and improving performance to equally class-leading levels. When it comes to engine noise, 4 key areas have been the focus of improvement. A dynamic damper has been added to the left-hand engine mount. A resonator is installed in the inlet hose. The internal silencer of the front panel was changed from a single layer to a 3-layer structure, and an extra layer of felt was added to the hood's upper muffler. To combat wind and road noise, all new Yaris Cross models feature thicker glass on the front and rear side windows, as well as on the windshield. Smart Digital Key will arrive in late 2024. Access to information, connectivity and entertainment has been transformed by the introduction of an entirely new digital user experience. This includes both a driver display that can be configured and customized to suit the driver's preference, and a multimedia system that is more powerful, more responsive and offers a wider range of functions. The screens are class-leading in size. 7 or 12.3 inches for the driver's combimeter and 9 or 10.5 inches for the multimedia touchscreen, depending on rating. The 12.3-inch combimeter features sharply defined dials, information and graphics for good visibility in all light levels. The driver can customize the display's appearance to suit his or her mood or type of trip, with 4 style options: smart, casual, sporty and rugged. There are options for 2, 1 dial or no dial, as well as changes to the background color depending on the selected driving mode, normal, ECO or sport, to create 12 layouts in total. The digital speedometer and gear position indicator are centrally located in all configurations. Multi-information displays, mid, are positioned in the center, left and right. The central section offers important data such as advanced security system status. Those on each side offer details such as trip data, fuel consumption, and audio. The driver can easily view combinations of the 3 pages on each MID using the control switches on the steering wheel. You can also customize the information on each page on the left and right screens. The content of the center display is fixed. Depending on model class, a head-up display is also available, giving the driver more direct access to essential driving information. The 7-inch version is standard on mid and mid plus grades. The 12.3-inch is available on high-end GR Sport and Premier Edition models. The Toyota Smart Connect multimedia system is designed for easy and intuitive use, responding faster to inputs thanks to increased computing power. Its functions include cloud-based navigation as standard, and Always Connected, a system that accesses up-to-date information about routes, traffic and delays for better trip planning. The system features an advanced, more responsive voice recognition system and a built-in Hey Toyota voice agent that can recognize natural, spoken language and requests. For example, say Hey Toyota, I'm cold, and the system will automatically raise the climate control temperature. Easy connectivity is designed with wireless smartphone integration for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Switch is compatible with Apple and Android devices and comes standard on the Premier Edition. 1 year of connection is included in the purchase price of the vehicle. The My Toyota app also provides other useful functions, such as remote locking/unlocking, pre-trip activation of climate control, and activation of hazard lights to help locate the vehicle in a busy parking lot, for example.